Hi, tutor. My name is Francisco Javier Suarez. The stage number 4. Simulate a job interview. Okay, question number 1. Can you tell me a little about yourself? Okay, repeat. My name is Francisco Javier Suarez. I have 31 years old. Actually study engineering industry in the UNAD. I live with my parents, with my father, with my mother, with my brother. My brother is a police. I have a pet, a little dog, very beautiful. Question number 2. Why do you want to work for this company? Okay, your company is the best company in my city. Your company is I like work in this company. I believe work in your company because because your company is have many exportations, exportation for the others countries. Is a company international. For this, I like your company. I like work in your company. Question number 3. What are your goals for the future? Okay. I believe uh, we finished my program in general industry in the UNAD before get a specialization and master degree. Question number 4. What are your greatest strengths and weaknesses? Weaknesses. Okay. Uh, the greatest strengths. I think. A strength of mine is the perseverance. Yeah, perseverance. Weakness is getting up early. I don't like getting up early. I dislike. Question number 5. Can you tell me a little bit more about the skill that you transferred from your previous line of work or to our department here? Okay, I have many experience, more or less 5 years. Yeah, 5 years. The experience uh, for the work in your company uh, offers many alternatives to grow personally. For this condition is I believe work in your company. Thank you so much, tutor. My name is Francisco Javier Suarez. Bye.